Hey there, welcome to another movie about Bitcoin news. Yeah, just a quick update during the day. Saturday is likely to be quiet, but in this video, we're going to look at the micro patterns after I talked about the long-term picture in the last video. I'd like to share some thoughts with you about how to name this microstructure. Just a conversation about ideas, and we talk about things that people support and things that people don't support. We talked about the weekly chart and how the next bear market might play out in the first video about Bitcoin today if that's something that interests you. Okay, let's look at the nanostructures. That being said, let's quickly go over the intraday price action in this video. It's not very interesting, but I wanted to give you some ideas for how to name this microstructure there. From the low point on September 6th, we may have seen an A wave going up, a B wave pulling back, and now we may be in the C wave rise, which is a 5-wave move. That's wave 1 and wave 2. Most likely the third wave is still going on. After that, we should see another 4 or 5 wave pattern. According to what I think I said in the last movie, once wave 4 starts here, it shouldn't really break below around 62,300. I need to move everything to the right. I'll be able to explain that more once this third wave, which is possibly still going on, has actually built up to a peak. The plan is for this third wave to keep happening in wave C. There should be another 4 or 5 patterns, so as time goes on, we'll move the fifth wave to the right. Additionally, a few trend lines are showing up here that could act as, let's say, dynamic resistance. And finally, if we zoom in a bit more, you can see that the idea is, as this third plays out, the price should reach 64,800 or even a little higher. That would be the next level to watch on the upside. And for me, the first ideal goal for a third wave would be great. And it could be. This rise from the September 16th low could be a diagonal, which is the white count, or even an impulse, but I like the idea of a diagonal better. In this case, we have a 1-2 A, B, C in wave 3, and then another 4-5 loop. And as I said, this is in the blue count. Instead of a B wave slowdown, this is a wave 4. It's mostly about how far we go in this pullback. Of course, that's not true. We can't know that. The market will make the choice, but there are levels to keep an eye on. And the level of 61,530 is kind of the last important level for the fourth blue wave. Anything below that would have to be a B wave or something more negative. But as I already said, I'd rather go higher as long as we have backing. Now let's talk about thoughts and how this can be named. It looks like this is a clear 3-wave move down, right? So we could say that the fourth wave or even the B wave is already finished, even if it is only a weak wave. That means you can't tell the difference, but in this case, I'd like to see at least wave C go a little higher and show some strength to go up. This last rise from yesterday's low is only made up of 3 waves, as you can see. That's a possibility. After that, this move up would already be going like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but there's no proof of that. No way, no proof at all. It's possible. But there isn't enough upward movement. The last Rayleigh move has 3 waves. Had this been a 6-wave pattern, okay, maybe. Okay, that brings us to a bigger fix. As time goes on, it might even turn out to be a triangle. There would be an A wave, AB wave, AC wave, AD wave, and an E wave. I don't think it will be a triangle because they often change into something else. We also don't have enough waves yet for a triangle though. That means we hit the bottom of wave A, we hit the bottom of wave A, and now we're in wave B. This is an A, B, C structure, so we need wave C, D, and E. It might be possible, but it would look huge for a wave 4 of that level. That's why I don't always expect that. There's no reason for me to think that we've already hit bottom or that a triangle is building. Of course, it's possible that we've hit bottom, but there's nothing in the market right now that would prove that. It would have to break out to the upside for me. We can talk after 64,000 to 140 breaks. But until then, this drop looks like a 3-wave move, which could be wave A. Similarly, this rise looks like a 3-wave move, but we don't have enough waves for a triangle, so I think this might be a B wave, and another test of support is likely. Based on the ABC structure, we might be in the B wave, so I'm going to add a resistance area to the picture. I'll take it here. Also, if this is really a B wave, we should see a response to this pushback, maybe over the weekend. If we break above 63,599, it could mean that the next move up has already begun. I'm really sorry, but I'm out of wave breeze here. Of course, I might just raise it by 1 so I can label the micro. That's it. And then A, B, C. The hard part is that this wave is made up of 3 waves. Okay, we'll see if B wave goes too far though. Between 63,173 and 63,599. This is the normal range of resistance. So any break above it could mean a long break. We talk about a prolonged break because B waves can go too far sometimes. There has been a break above support for a while now. It could mean that the next move to the sky has already begun. That's the latest news about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment and subscribe if you did. Also, if you like the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.